Portions of this program have been underwritten by Suntaman Communications. Des Moines, it's party time one more time in the city. It's the Big Drink Relay celebration, and it all goes down this Saturday live at the Marriott. Doors open 9 p.m. Limited seating is available, so get there early. Special guest from Minneapolis, Minnesota, Jay Most and the Command Steppers. Live from Omaha, Nebraska, by special demand. Recording artist Tooth performing his new single, Angel in the Sky. Come on down and get your wobble on. It's a wobble-off contest.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
This Saturday night, live at the Marriott downtown, Minneapolis, Kansas City, Omaha, ATL. Everybody's at the Marriott downtown this Saturday. Get there early. Limited seating is available. Everyone you've been waiting to see is going to be at the Marriott on the 1 and 2s. Yours truly, Wes Hall, plus DJ Chuck E. Fresh. This is another Wes Hall production to make your body function.